My dear friends, this small video clip I am going to discuss how to learn Tally in 10 simple steps. That is step number 1 is create a company to enter to start entering data. So first of all you need to create a company. Go to Tally, say create company XYZ. Here you can enter the company address. That's it. Here enter the country, then here you can enter the state. See like that. Here you can choose accounts only for company who not maintain stocks details. Choose here accounts with inventory for trading companies to maintain accounts, maintain stocks. Say here starting from 1/4, books begin from financial start from the same date. That means 1st April onwards you are going to maintain the accounts records. Enter. So company creation is over. Now the second is create ledgers. Say create ledgers, go to account info, ledgers, create here single ledger for at a time you can create one ledger. Here you can create number of ledgers. This is multi ledgers. Say example, when you see when a trading company you have some suppliers, say enter here supplier name. Suppose supplier 1. You can enter any XYZ or MNO, say Nirmal Brothers, whatever it is. Here I am giving the name as supplier 1. This is sundry data creator. Please note this. Your suppliers groups comes under sundry creators. This group is free defined groups in Tally. You can select here. Then when you sold the goods to your customer is a customer. So create a customer name. Say here customer. Here I am just giving customer 1. So you have to give the real name of your customer here. Then here this customer comes under sundry data. If you have opening balance, you can enter here the opening balance. Then cash account. Cash already have. That's a default. Bank. Say example SBI, State Bank of India. This is bank accounts. Then purchase account. This comes under purchase accounts. Sales accounts. This comes under group sales accounts. Salaries. This comes under indirect expense. Freight account. This comes under direct expense. Electricity. This comes under indirect expense. Indirect expense. So what are else? Sales, purchase, salaries, customer, supplier, bank, cash account. So later on we can create the companies, create the ledgers. This all. That's all. Now this is over. Create the ledger is over. Now the third is create stock units. Stock units means the furniture company purchase, say example computer tables, etc. That units called as numbers. Say create these units as numbers. How to create this? Go to tally. Press escape key to go back to gateway of tally. Again press escape. Inventory info. Unit of measures. Create here numbers 0. So example in kgs, a company deals food grains etc. That will comes as kgs. Here you can enter 3 decimal places because kgs and grams. That's it. Unit is over. Now create stock items. I am going to create one stock item. See, press escape key to come to this gateway of tally. Now create here stock item here. Inventory info. Stock items. Create. Say example. Say the product name is, say example, Samsung Galaxy Mobile. That's it. Then you can give here the description, say configuration etc. whatever you want. Then under group, this comes under mobiles. Say you can create here group as, say press Alt C to create new group, that is mobiles. Say here units numbers. See, don't confuse here. Stock item name is Samsung Galaxy. Group is mobiles. So Samsung, there are so many models, that that will comes under group mobiles only. Then next step is press escape key to go back to gateway of tally. Now enter purchase entry, purchases in purchase voucher. So enter purchase voucher, follow these steps. This is the gateway of tally. Go to accounting vouchers, then press here F9, that is purchase. Say supplier number. Here the invoice number, the suppliers will give one invoice number. There you can find one invoice number, that may be, say example 216. Here the date, enter the date. If you want to change the date, click here to change the date. Say supplier 1. From supplier 1 you are purchasing the goods. Say purchase account. Then here Samsung Galaxy. Here press one or two letters to display here the stock inventory names. Enter. Say example description, you can type anything. Smartphone. Say one number 12,000. Say purchase is 10 numbers. Being purchased Samsung Galaxy mobiles 10 numbers from supplier 1. Here supplier 1 I have given. Actually you have to write here the correct name of the supplier. That's it. Now the sixth point is enter sales in sales voucher. Now just we have purchased 10 piece. Now we are going to sold these goods five numbers as cash sale. Say go here, accounting voucher, same procedure. Sales, click on sales, F8. Enter here cash, sales account. Here enter yes. Already I told you to type one or two letters. Samsung, five numbers. Say 14,000. Being purchased Samsung mobiles, five numbers by cash. This over. Now another five numbers we are going to sold on credit. Credit means you have to mention here the customer name. So your customer you are going to sell to customer on credit. Sales account Samsung. Say five numbers. Say four numbers. 14,000. Here narration you can put a narration as sale of four numbers to customer one. So sale is over. Now the seventh point is enter cash receipts and check deposits in receipt voucher. So this is seventh. So come to gateway of tally. Press escape key. Go again accounting vouchers. Receipt. Say example cash. This customer sale. Customer already we have sold for 56,000. Say we can enter here. Say 40,000. Being received cash from customer 1. This is over. Now the eighth point is how to enter payment. In this point already cash receipt we have done. Now check deposit we are going to do this. Say example that party customer 1. Say here SBI. The party customer, a part of payment given by cash and part of payment given by check, so that if the given check, here enter the bank account SBI customer 1, say 16,000. 16,000 he has given by check. This is against invoice number, that's all. That means invoice number 2 we have raised sales to this customer 1. Then here check number, the party will give one check number, any check number, that number you have to feed here. Received AB check number 405022. That's it. Now the 8th point is enter payments in both cash and check in payment voucher. Say example now go back to gateway of tally by press escape key. Again go here accounting vouchers. Press here F5 payment. Say supplier. Say cash. See cash we have 1,10,000 balance. Now supplier to whom we have to pay that supplier 1. Supplier 1 balance is 1,20,000. Now we are receiving 75,000 payment by cash towards this bill number, that is called against reference number, being paid cash to supplier 1. Instead of supplier 1, you have to put the actual name of your supplier. That's it. Now cash withdrawals and cash deposits. Contra entry. Enter cash withdrawal and say we have some cash we can deposit into bank. That entry I am going to show the demo. Say here, click here, contra entry. You can do like this. Otherwise, go back to gateway of tally, come to accounting vouchers, contra. This is F4. Here you put State Bank of India, State Bank of India, then cash 50,000. 50,000 we don't have that much of balance, only 35. So put 20,000. Being cash deposit to SBI. This is cash deposit entry. If you want to withdraw the money from bank, here put cash and here put the bank name SBI, like that. That's over. Now journal entries. I will show you one more two examples. Say example cash withdrawal entry. Here enter the cash. Here SBI 5,000. Here enter the check number of your State Bank of India. Say example like that. Cash withdrawn from SBI. That's it. Use journal entries for book expenses, write-offs, like that. Say journal entries, go back to gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, go journal here, F7, salary account, say 5,000, say 20,000, credit here, this will comes salary outstanding, that ledger we don't have here, so create Alt C, salary outstanding. This comes under current liabilities. Current liabilities. Yeah, this is liabilities. Being salary payable for the month of April 2014. That means this salary has to pay, not paying now. This will payable. This may be paid in next month. That is, see journal for book expenses. This is over. Then write off. Say example, go for how to view the ledger, verify the balance is display account box ledger. Say customer 1. This is nil balance. Say supplier 1 is 40,000. Say example, if the supplier give 5,000 discount, then we can create journal voucher. Say go here, press escape key to come to gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, journal F7. This is okay. Now here, when the supplier give discount to us, it's a discount received. That's an income. So create ledger discount received. There is no ledger here. So what to do is create a ledger. To create ledger, press Alt C, discount received. This comes direct income. Say 5,000. Credit to, sorry, this is debit. Supplier 1. Supplier 1 is giving the discount to us. So this is discount received. That's a credit, that's income to us. So that 5,000 has to debit to his account, supplier account, towards this bill. Then discount received account credit. Being received discount from supplier 1. This is over. Write off also we can see. Write off means when the customer or supplier account is showing 10 rupees, 15 rupees closing balance, that is we can use this journal entry to pass his debit to his account debit or credit, and the same balance transfer to one more another account, that is called written off account. And one more journal entry, purchase credit purchases other than traded goods, that means assets. Say example assets. Say suppose a company purchased AC, air condition. Say create here debit to AC account, then credit to that supplier, AC supplier account. Say create here air condition. Press Alt C to create air condition. This is fixed account, fixed assets. Don't forget, it is not a purchase accounts. It's a fixed accounts, fixed assets. Say 30,000. Credit here AC supplier. Here you have to give the correct exact supplier name. Here I am giving just AC supplier. Under group sundry creditor. So here the new reference number. You can give that bill. They will against this AC purchase. They will give one bill. That is called purchase bill, AC purchase bill. That bill number you can enter here. Say example like this, being purchased AC void bill number 550 from AC supplier. Here the actual name of supplier you can apply here. This is over. Now 10 points is over. I think this this video will helpful to you. If you want to further videos, you can write us at tallyprofessor at gmail.com. This is my email ID, email address. And now we want to how to alter the data and how to delete the vouchers, that I will tell you. Go here, display, then go daybook. So example, this is, say example, purchase voucher. Suppose this purchase voucher, say purchase amount each piece 11,500. 11 like that. How to delete the voucher? Say go here, we want to delete this entry. Say example, this entry. Click here to delete. That's it. If you press yes, that will goes to delete. Then now one by one we will discuss about reports. All the reports go here display. If you want to click here, trial balance will appear. Say trial balance. This is a group wise. You want to see individual wise, click here detail. Say this is current creditors, sundry creditors, salary outstanding, air condition this is, and sundry debtor. There is no debtor. Cash in hand is 20,000. Like this. If you want to see a particular ledger, say display, account box, ledger. Say supplier. The supplier one ledger, we purchased from this supplier 1,15,000 value. For this we have paid by cash 75,000 and discount we received 5,000. Remaining 35,000 we have to pay. So can we pay check? We'll check the bank, State Bank, how much we have the balance. Go here ledger, State Bank of India. See 31,000 we have the balance. So we can pay 30,000. Go back to escape key, press escape key to go back to gateway of tally, accounting vouchers, payment. We are giving check, so that enter here bank name SBI. Say SBI. Enter supplier 1. Say 30,000. Here you can give your State Bank account check number 405023 405023 to supplier 1 for invoice number 216. Now trial balance is over. Account box, there is a particular ledger, how to see the balance, that is okay. This is a group summary, that means a group of debtors, customers. You want to see group of customers, go here sundry debtors, no balance, because say click here configuration, balance is already we have received. Configuration, say this is, we sold 56,000 to this customer, we received 40,000 by cash, and we received a check 16,000. So balance is nil. Now go back to escape key, then go to display. Now I will tell you how to say, go back to escape key, again escape, how to verify the stock summary. So go here display, inventory books, Stock, say Samsung Galaxy. Say 10 number we purchased, 5 numbers sold as cash and 4 numbers to customer 1. The balance is 1 number. Thank you. Bye bye. F10.